Ancient Indian foundations, Sindhu-Saraswati to Vedic period. Massive urban grids. The Sindhu-Saraswati civilization built streets on strict north-south and east-west grids, spaced 10 meters apart, creating a practical coordinate system for navigation. Geometric constructions. Bodhayana, circa 800 BCE, used perpendicular directional lines for complex geometric designs, developing the Bodhayana-Pythagoras theorem. The prime meridian. Ujjayini was established as the central longitude meridian, the ancient zero line, by the 4th century BCE. Mathematical evolutions in India, 5th to 7th century. Introduction of signs. Aryabhata, circa 499 CE, replaced complex Greek chords with signs, simplifying how the coordinates of cities and stars were calculated. Celestial mapping. Aryabhata mapped the sky using celestial coordinates measured from the sun's path, the ecliptic. The algebraic origin. Brahmagupta, circa 628 CE, formalized zero and negative numbers, which are essential for defining the origin and negative axes of a modern 4-quadrant graph.
Transmission and adaptation in Arabic science, 8th to 12th century. Global mapping. Brahmagupta's work was translated into Arabic, and the Ujjayini meridian entered Arabic geography as Arin, serving as the zero longitude reference. Advanced coordinate tools. Al-Biruni, circa 1000 CE, used Indian trigonometry to calculate city coordinates across Asia and perfected the astrolabe for naval navigation. Geometry meets algebra. Omar Khayyam, circa 1100 CE, expert in Indian decimals and algebra, became the first to solve algebraic problems using coordinate geometry in a plane. Final European formalization, 17th century. Western arrival. These mathematical concepts eventually traveled to Europe during the 12th century. The Cartesian plane. Following work by Fermat, 1636 CE, René Descartes, 1637 CE, formalized the modern coordinate system, proving any point on a 2D plane can be defined by two numbers relative to perpendicular axes.
The plane in which the axes are situated is called the Cartesian plane, the coordinate plane, or the xy plane. The axes divide the plane into 4 parts, called quadrants. Points in quadrant 1 have both x and y coordinates positive. Points in quadrant 2 have negative x coordinate and positive y coordinate. Points in quadrant 3 have both x and y coordinates negative. Points in quadrant 4 have positive x coordinate and negative y coordinate. The point of intersection of the axes is called the origin.
Distance between the points A, x1, y1, and D, x2, y2, equals square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. The section formula is a coordinate geometry tool used to find the coordinates of a point that divides a line segment joining two given points into a specific ratio. When a point divides a line segment into two exactly equal parts, the ratio becomes 1 to 1, m equals 1, n equals 1. Substituting this into the internal formula gives the midpoint formula. mxy equals x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2.